Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's painting is all about a cozy coffee shop. I'll be drawing it with a pen and coloring it with watercolors. I got the reference photo from the website Unsplash, and I want to thank the talented photographer for capturing such a beautiful shot. I've included their username here in case you would like to check out their profile. First, I sketch everything with a pencil. Now I'll go over the drawing with a Unipin 0.1 pen to finalize the lines. After that, I'll erase the extra pencil marks and start adding color. For the first layer of the coffee shop, I'm using burnt sienna. For the banner and chairs, I'll use permanent rose. The chairs have a striped pink and white pattern, so I'll paint the base colors now and later add the white stripes using a white pen. For the coffee shop windows, I'm mixing cobalt blue with just a touch of raw umber to give them a cool, slightly blue tone without turning brown. For the flower pots, I'll use the same mix but with more raw umber to darken it. Next, I'll add a second layer to the chairs to create shadows and volume. The coffee shop walls still don't look as rich as I like, so for the second layer, I'll use Mars Brown to bring more depth. Throughout the painting, I'm focusing on showing dimension and avoiding flat colors. For the deeper shadows, I'll mix raw umber and ultramarine blue. This will add contrast to the recessed and upper areas. Once it dries, I'll assess how it looks and make adjustments if needed. For the ground, I'll create a cool, dark tone by mixing ultramarine blue with sepia brown. After the coffee shop dries, I might add another layer of sepia brown to the deeper areas for more contrast. For the final touches, I'll use a white pen and a Unipin 0.6 pen to add highlights, write the text on the banner, and strengthen the faded lines. Overall, today's painting was quite simple in both drawing and coloring. The key was to carefully show depth and dimension using both colors and lines. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the end. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll like this one too. I'd love it if you could like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback means a lot to me. I wish you all the best and hope you stay creative and inspired. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.